Antaisolar has successfully delivered a 150 megawatt distributed PV project in Lanzhou New Area, Gansu Province. Built on industrial plant rooftops, the project serves as a model for advancing low-carbon industrial transformation in northwest China. To address the characteristics of local industrial metal roofs, Antaisolar provided a customized metal roof mounting system solution. The system uses a flat single-row layout equipped with multiple clamp types including seam lock clamp, trapezoidal clamp and clip lock, along with H-rails to ensure secure module installation across various roof structures. The structural design fully meets local load requirements of 0.3 kN per square meter wind pressure and 0.15 kN per square meter snow pressure, ensuring system safety while maximizing installation efficiency. The project not only delivers stable green electricity to the industrial park, but also demonstrates Antaisolar's strong capabilities in distributed PV solutions, providing a high-quality reference for PV plus industry development across northwest China.